Good morning, class. Our topic today is mastering scene setup and filming techniques. Steps in sound effects technique. TLE Grade 8 Quarter 1. Lesson 2 Week 7. Sound effects were used as comic relief or to signify an action happening off screen. Sound design has become a powerful tool. Sound plays a big role as the visual elements in film. It is a tool to immerse the audience in cinematic experience or bring a fantastical creature to life or ramp up the tension in a scene. Sound effects can impact an audience's emotions just as powerful as an actor's performance, a beautiful shot, or a dramatic scene. Steps in sound effects technique. 1. Create ambient sound. Definition: ambient sound, also known as background sound, is the natural sound of the environment where the scene is set. It helps to create a sense of place and immersion. Implementation: record ambient sounds on location or use pre-recorded ambient sound libraries. Examples include the sound of birds chirping in a park, traffic noise in a city, or the hum of machinery in a factory. Layer these sounds subtly under the primary audio to enhance the realism and depth of the scene. 2. Establish some realism. Realistic sound effects make the scene more believable and help the audience to connect with the story. Implementation: use sound effects that match the actions and environments depicted in the video. Examples include the sound of footsteps on different surfaces, doors opening and closing, or the rustling of leaves. Ensure that these sounds are synchronized with the visual elements to maintain consistency. 3. Use nonverbal storytelling. Definition: nonverbal storytelling through sound effects can convey emotions, actions, and events without the need for dialogue. Implementation: use sound effects to indicate actions that are not shown on screen, such as a character knocking on a door or a car driving away. Employ sounds that suggest emotions or moods, like a creaking door to create suspense or a gentle breeze to evoke calmness. This technique allows the audience to infer information and engage more deeply with the story. 4. Shift audience emotions. Sound effects can manipulate the audience's emotional response, guiding their feelings and reactions to the narrative. Implementation: use sound effects that align with the emotional tone of the scene, such as cheerful music for happy moments or somber tones for sad scenes. Employ contrasting sounds to create emotional shifts, like a sudden loud noise after a quiet moment to startle the audience. Adjust the timing and layering of sounds to smoothly transition between different emotional states. Find sound effects. Locating the right sound effects is essential to ensure they fit seamlessly into the video. Implementation: use online sound libraries and databases such as Freesound, Sound Bible, or premium services like Audio Jungle and Epidemic Sound. Record your own sound effects using a high-quality microphone for unique and specific sounds. Ensure that the sound effects you choose are of high quality and free from unwanted noise or distortion. Pay attention to licensing and usage rights when using pre-recorded sound effects from libraries. Practical tips. Layering. Combine multiple sound effects to create a richer and more complex audio environment. For example, layer the sound of wind, distant traffic, and birds to create a realistic outdoor scene. Volume control. Adjust the volume levels of different sound effects to ensure they blend well without overpowering the primary audio or dialogue. Panning and spatialization. Use panning techniques to position sound effects within the stereo field, creating a sense of direction and space. This can enhance the realism and immersion of the scene. Panning and spatialization. Use panning techniques to position sound effects within the stereo field, creating a sense of direction and space. This can enhance the realism and immersion of the scene. Consistency. Maintain consistency in the sound effects throughout the video to avoid jarring transitions and ensure a cohesive audio experience.